My name is Zach Bradford, and I am currently enrolled in the Master's of Arts in Teaching program at the University of Monticello. I have a very nuclear family, mom, dad, and I have a brother who's in the military. He has a wife. I recently got married, and she brought along 2 kids. Now I have 2 stepkids, so I have a little family going. I'm from Cedarville, Arkansas, which is also where I'm teaching. So I'm teaching at the same place I graduated from, which is always pretty cool. It's a good opportunity for me, and I know everybody and everyone likes me and stuff. I'm currently teaching ALE. It's the alternative learning environment. I'm certified in middle school social studies and middle school science, and so I am the teacher in there facilitating these students' learning. ALE is for kids who don't get along with other students or who are in danger of dropping out. My future plans for teaching include are limited, not limited to, but being the middle school science teacher. There's going to be an opening next year, so hopefully after I'm through with my program, I'll be able to be a full-time middle school science teacher. My expectations for the Master of Arts in Teaching program are for me to have a better understanding of what it is for students to learn, better understanding of what it takes to help these students learn, and just be an all-around better teacher. I feel like, through the summer sessions, my understanding of what it is to be a teacher has already, started to grow, and I'm looking forward to seeing where this program will take me at the end of it. Something about myself is I play basketball every week, weekly. I go play some pickup games at my local church, and it's something fun that I like to do, and I don't see myself stopping that anytime soon. In the classroom is the ALE room. It's an old computer lab, and it's kind of like out of the way, just a place where students can work independently with their Apex program. Lots of computers. There's not a lot of class changing for those kids, but some of them are in normal classes trying to integrate them back into Gen Pop. And that's about it. I am looking forward to this semester, and I'm especially looking forward to this class and getting an A in it. Thank you.